Okay, so welcome to another episode of Quick Calculus, and in this video we'll be talking about or solving a one-sided limit problem involving absolute values. So again, yung technique natin dito would be to try and plug in yung value muna. Tama? So we can try to plug in yung value. So this is 1 minus plus 1 minus 2 minus 4 times 1 minus all over 1 minus minus 1. Okay? And if we evaluate this, this will become 1 plus 1 minus 2 all over 1 minus 1. So this is equal to 0 over 0. And again, this is an indeterminate form. Okay? So, paano natin ito i-solve? Meron tayong absolute value dito. So what we do is to use the definition of absolute value. So, absolute value ng 2 minus 4x ay ano yung definition niya? It is equal to 2 minus 4x if 2 minus 4x is greater than or equal to 0. And it is equal to negative 2 minus 4x if 2 minus 4x is less than 0. Okay, so we just simplify 2 minus 4x greater than 0. This will become 1 half is greater than or equal to 0. And 2 minus 4x less than 0 is 1 half less than x. Oh, sorry, this is greater than x. Okay? So, kung yung hinahanap natin na limit is 1 minus, yung gagamitin natin na definition ng absolute value natin would be etong second one. Why? Kasi 1 minus, isipin natin 1 minus is 0.9999. So 0.99999. And that is greater than 1 half. Okay? So hindi siya less than 1 half. Okay? So yung gagamitin natin na definition is negative of 2 minus 4x. So we can now rewrite yung ating whole na polynomial function. So this will become x plus 1 minus negative 2 minus 4x. Okay, so wag natin kakalimutan yung negative dito. All over x minus 1. So now, let's try to simplify. So limit as x approaches 1 minus, this would become negative 3x plus 3 all over x minus 1. So now we can try to factor out yung negative 3. So this will become negative 3 limit x approaches 1 minus ng x minus 1 over x minus 1. And this will just cancel out. Okay, so yung limit would be now just equal to negative 3. So meaning that the limit as x approaches 1 minus ng x plus 1 minus 2 minus 4x all over x minus 1 is just equal to negative 3. Okay, so again, what we did here is to use the definition of the absolute value and then just evaluate the limit normally. So what we do is try to factor, try to simplify, conjugate, diba? And you will get the answer. Okay? So that is how we do one-sided limits, and see you in the next episode.